In almost 40 years as a goldsmith, I've never grown overly fond of my round-nose pliers. They're engineered to leave this dent from the outside jaw on the workpiece that only spells trouble and ungrateful cleanups. But if the designated outside jaw isn't curved, holding and bending pressures are spread and it's easy peasy to avoid marring. For starters, take a pair of chain nose pliers and file the designated outside jaw flat. To curve its opposite, or designated round jaw around which your workpieces are bent, bevel the edge in a manner that's in line with the taper. We're essentially looking to make a cone of it, and it's easier to control symmetry using polygon interim surfaces. Next, it's time to actually round those edges using full blade length file strokes. Use something with an appropriately sized round opening like this nut here to check for uniform curvature. And then it's off to the sanding stick races to knock down file marks, changing stroke directions to be sure you're not creating grooves or overlooking anything. Full-length strokes of the sandpaper stick pretty much guarantee a steady curvature of the designated inside jaw, which will reflect in your workpieces. Remember to change the stroke directions as you step down to about 600 grit. In the end, you'll want to be sure you've broken in the edges around the joint as shown in an earlier video and smooth everything with 600 grit sandpaper or finer. Et voila! Enjoy bending soft workpieces with no marring on the outside with your new half-round chain nose pliers.